one thing about it, you're gonna do some walking out here. So you better bring you some walking shoes. What is going on, good people? I'm C-Los, and man, I appreciate y'all stopping by my channel, Pay Yourself Back, where the focus is always on having mental awareness and being spiritually well, guys. It's another beautiful day in South Florida, and I'm at a place called Bedner'S Farm Fresh Market here in Boynton Beach, guys. And here at Bedner'S, I mean, this place is huge. As you can see, fields and fields of just strawberries, tomatoes, peppers, green peppers, hot peppers. They got it all, guys. And if you recall, about a year ago I did a video in Homestead at Nosberry Farm, where the concept is pretty much the same. They have just fields of, or a field of strawberries and tomatoes and things like that. But this place here is huge. You can actually set Nosberry Farm inside of Bedner'S, guys. I mean, they got a lot of stuff going on here. There's a lot of people out here today. You can see back there in the background, all those cars over there, guys. It is a lot of people. But you know, you pick and you pay by the pound. And so they got homemade ice cream. They actually have a farmer's market inside, which we're gonna go and check out, where they sell other produce and things like that. So we're gonna get ready to pick some strawberries, and then we're gonna get some tomatoes and some peppers. All this stuff is fresh, guys. Here we are again, out in nature, just enjoying nature, enjoying this beautiful Florida weather, and just enjoying people. Everybody's just doing their own thing and having fun. They got the kids out. I mean, families are out here. It's a beautiful thing, guys. It really is.
Hello, how are you?
Good, how you doing?
Good. Are you
All right.
filming?
Yes. Hello.
How are you?
Good, sir. How are you? Homemade ice cream, huh?
Make it every morning.
Wow.
Vanilla and strawberry.
Vanilla and strawberry?
And strawberry.
I think we'll get you on the way out.
You got it.
Okay. I got it. Yeah, how y'all doing? Here at Bedner'S, guys, they got a lot of stuff going on, man. They got so much stuff going on here. There's a lot of people out here. I mean, a lot of people picking peppers, strawberries, you name it. They got a lot going on here today. They got an animal farm over here. Dang. All right, guys, so here we have our green bucket and our black bucket. The green bucket is for like your peppers, your tomatoes, and then you got the black bucket right here, which is for your strawberries. So I think we're gonna get a little bit of both. I mean, it's a nice day. Luckily, we found a good spot. So we're gonna get ready to go over here and pick some strawberries and tomatoes and all that good stuff. All right. There's a lot of strawberries, guys, here. So we're trying to decide where we want to go pick strawberries at. I mean, look at the rows and rows and rows of strawberries. This thing is huge. Look at that, guys. That one's shaped like a heart. All right. This is all I got so far. You got?
Take this one. Look at this little mess you do.
What?
Compared to mine.
Oh, let's go over on this side.
I know, I was thinking.
You was thinking about it?
Yeah.
I know, I gotta get some of that fish, man. I was thinking, and do a salad. Exactly.
Okay,
That,
put
yeah.
the small cherry one in there.
Yeah, these are.
Okay.
Yeah, trust me, girl. I'm way ahead of you.
Thing. Oh, shoot, I'm way ahead of you. I was thinking that from last night anyway. You finished?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
Think that's enough? Whoa, look at this, guys. God almighty, get that thing. Yeah. So I've never actually seen bell peppers grow before. Have you? I've never actually seen bell peppers grow, but we're getting ready to see some, I think. What are these, peppers?
You got a pepper.
Oh, peppers. Oh, bell pepper, yeah. So look.
To go inside the aisle. Look.
I'm going, look at this. You ain't gonna get this in no grocery store. Look at this. These things are huge. Yeah, you ain't gonna get these, you're not gonna get them in the Publix. I mean, you might get them, but you're gonna pay. How many I got?
3.
Get a couple more. Strawberries smell good. Huh?
No, it looks like it.
Ooh. Yeah. That one was rotten. No, you gotta pay. I'm just looking. Nice. And the line to pay is kind of long. All right, guys, after it's all said and done, this is what we have right here. Probably about 15 bucks. What you think?
We'll see.
Yeah. We're in line waiting to go in and check out the inside and see what other kind of vegetables and fruits and stuff they have inside. The clouds are starting to roll in. I don't know if it's going to rain or not, but they're starting to roll in. Real habanero. Definitely gonna get one of these. Original ghost pepper. You wanna try one of these? So after everything is said and done, guys, $3.99 a pound with the strawberries and the bell peppers. We spent about $35. I know that seems like it's a little high, but you know, for fresh picked vegetables out of the garden, so to speak, fruits and vegetables, it's not that bad. Getting some homemade vanilla right now. What you say we get? You got me what?
I got the vanilla and I got me strawberries.
Oh, okay.
In the face like.
How it taste? Let me
I stick with my vanilla.
let me taste the vanilla again.
I'll give you some.
Oh, look at the little scoop she gave me, guys. Look at the little scoop. She being stingy. Stinger. We're starting to rain a little bit.
Better. Yeah. Oh, we're not going with the cars.
Yeah, exactly. And she's taking the car to the car. All right, guys, so I believe that's about it. We're going to get our ice cream, eat our ice cream. On the way, we're going to head on back down to Fort Lauderdale. But we had an awesome time, guys. So again, if you're ever in South Florida and you're in Boynton Beach, come by Bedner'S Farm Fresh Market, guys. The picking season, I believe, is only between November and I want to say April as far as the strawberries and the bell peppers. But the actual market is open year round. And so Listen, if you guys enjoyed the video, you enjoyed the content, hit that subscribe button, guys. Like the video, share the video, and look here. Let me see if I can hold this right. Until next time. Oh, I don't want to spill my strawberry ice cream. Be well, my friend. CeeLos out, baby.
Mm.